Over the past week, Spotify Camp Nou has continued to evolve with steady progress visible across the structure, especially in the upper tiers and seating zones. The stadium is gradually shifting from raw construction into a more defined and complete form. Beginning on the lateral side, one of the most noticeable changes is the continued expansion of the third tier. Large sections are extending outward, reducing open gaps and making the structure feel more complete compared to last week, with multiple segments advancing at once. Facade work is also accelerating. Support systems for future outer elements are being installed, while crews prepare beam connections for the slats. At the same time, cladding panels are starting to appear in key areas, signaling visible progress on the exterior skin. Material movement has increased as well, with slats and facade components being repositioned closer to active zones, indicating that installation will ramp up soon. Before we move on, like the video and subscribe to Megaverse Builds for more updates. Shifting focus to the south goal, progress may look subtle, but it remains steady. While ground-level activity is limited, work continues above with improved structural coverage, and more areas now fully closed, signaling a consolidation phase. Slat installation is also progressing. Some sections are already completed, while others are clearly being prepared and should follow soon. Meanwhile, the compression ring continues to advance, with new large components positioned at roof level, steadily shaping one of the stadium's most complex structural elements. In the north goal area, work remains focused on preparation rather than installation. Elevated platforms are active across multiple points, with crews handling finishing tasks along the beams. Although slat installation has not resumed yet, the groundwork being completed now suggests that progress could accelerate once these steps are finalized. Across the stadium, seating sections are becoming increasingly visible. Prefabricated rows continue to appear, giving the bowl a more complete and recognizable shape. Week by week, the seating layout is expanding, making it easier to visualize the final look of the stadium. On the tribuna side, activity remains high, with multiple teams working simultaneously. Cranes and lifting equipment are in constant motion, positioning structural elements and supporting ongoing installations. This area shows strong coordination, with different tasks progressing at the same time. Overall, this week highlights consistent forward movement rather than sudden changes. The structure is tightening, seating is expanding, and preparation for exterior elements is advancing. Make sure to like and subscribe to Megaverse Builds for daily progress. With this steady pace, the stadium is clearly building toward a phase where progress will become even more dramatic and visible.